So here you go, guys. My 4.9 engine been idling badly, and this supposedly is a solution. Now I found this puppy dog on eBay. It was only 14 bucks. This is a map sensor, and hooks right here in the back of your firewall, at least on my F150. And it runs off of a vacuum right here. So I check all your vacuum connections too, but I'm going to try putting it in and see if it makes the difference. Okay, I just put it in. I noticed here now, I've got a lot of play here on this little rubber boot here. So, I don't know, might have a vacuum leak right there. Might want to put something on it. Get a new piece of that stuff right there. I might take a piece of fuel line or something. We'll see. Okay, I took out this little piece here. It's really hard. And when I put the new map sensor on it, was hang. But all I used was just a little piece of fuel line here. A little rubber fuel line. So let's start this thing up and see if it makes it feel better. Okay. Yeah. Listen to that. It's not popping no more. That's nice. Oh yeah. Look at that. So yeah, here again, chasing things down. This little map sensor right here was the reason for all of my popping and missing firing. So you could get it on the internet. I got that one on the internet for just $14. So there you go. It's running good again. Simple solution fix.